What's the meaning of Bhagwan? Bhagwan. Bhagwan.
Bhagwan. Bhagwan. Bhagwan is a Sanskrit term that carries great significance in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and other Indian religions. It is often translated to mean God or the Divine One, but its meaning goes beyond just a simple label for a higher power. Bhagwan connotes a sense of reverence, awe, and devotion towards the divine, emphasizing the personal connection between the individual and their deity. In Hinduism, it is used to refer to the ultimate reality that pervades everything in the universe, while in Buddhism it can refer to a supremely enlightened being. Overall, the term Bhagwan embodies the idea of transcendence and the search for spiritual fulfillment.